Flip phones were a thing of the past until Samsung started dabbling in it again. First with the Galaxy Fold and then with the flip line of devices. Well, Samsung just took the wraps of two new devices that effectively put the Note line in its grave. Today, we will take a look at what we know about the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip3 5G, which is going to be referred to as the new Z Flip from this point. Hey guys, this is Anathan from C4 Tech and let's roll. Before we talk about the new Z Flip, let's see what the old Z Flip was. It was more of a concept phone priced exuberantly at 1,380 US dollars with a screen that was very much a work in progress. It had a 6.7 inch Full HD Plus primary display that picked up micro cracks in the hinge region over time. Under the hood, it had a Snapdragon 865 Plus and all the usual bells and whistles. But the price tag for a less than fully baked phone was a little daunting for most people to gamble on. This time around, Samsung seems to have closed the gap between expectation and reality with the new Z Flip. So what do we get this time around? We get the latest and greatest Snapdragon 888 that pushes a similarly spec'd 6.7-inch Full HD Plus Super AMOLED display. We get 8 gigs of RAM and either 128 or 256 GB storage variant. Keeping the lights on is a somewhat smallish 3300 mAh battery with 15-watt fast wired charging and 10-watt wireless charging. All this shapes up to being a very nice performing smartphone, but one does not get the Z Flip just for the performance. It's a novelty phone that has been priced appropriately this time, and it's no longer the unobtainium its older siblings were. But we will get to that a little later. What else does this new Flip have over the older versions? For one, it's IPX8 rated, protecting your phone from splashes and drops into water. It has Gorilla Glass Victus that does break and shatter just like every other form of glass, but hey, it's more durable. While on the topic of being more durable, they have done away with the awful TPU screen protector from last gen and have moved on to PET layer that mimics the feel of high-end glass and also managed to look better apart from the marginally better protection. So, yay. What's not changed is the camera array from last year, the very same 12 megapixel primary and ultra wide. Don't get me wrong, it was a very capable camera setup, but we were kinda bummed that they did not go with the newer sensors. But camera performance is gonna be top notch regardless. In the front notch, we have the selfie camera, except it needn't be a selfie camera when the whole phone folds into half. Anyway, we get a 10 megapixel shooter that we would know more about when we get our hands on the new Z Flip. While the cameras aren't an upgrade, the cover screen certainly is. They have ditched the pinky size second screen display for a more practical 1.9 inch Super AMOLED display that now lets you read full messages on it and for some reason have GIFs and animals on it. Ah, that's cute. Anyways, it's kind of a gimmick, but we kind of dig that. We have the ability to add usual assortment of customizations like different clocks, logos, and personalized text. So that's a massive W in my book as far as cover display goes. What's not a win in my book is the fact that this expensive device does not ship with a charger in the box. We didn't enjoy it when Apple did it, Xiaomi tried to do it, and Samsung is doing right now. Seems like a really crappy move from Samsung's part. Dude, it's not like a charger is gonna eat into your margins too much. I'm gonna leave my rant here because I don't want the video to turn into a 28 minutes news fest. Regardless, it's a shitty move, Samsung. Another compromise is the fact that they have not extended S Pen support for the flip line. That honor is reserved just for the more expensive Fold this year. But that is an okay compromise seeing as it's very difficult to put in a digitizer in a phone that folds like the Flip and it seems like the Fold is gonna be the new Note. So F's in the chat for all the Note fans. The biggest positive of the Z Flip is its pricing. We get an honest to God flagship with very few compromises. Specs are top shelf, display is more durable and crack resistant, at least that's what Samsung's claiming to be, and the flip mechanism that is rated for 200,000 closes, new IP rating, and the same capable cameras. Its launch price of $999.99 US dollars for the 8.28 variant puts this in a very competitive bracket in today's market. With the iPhone 13 ratings on the wall, the new flip seems like an awesome alternative to it. Apple has the ecosystem, but homie, this one folds and becomes tiny. With the reasonable pricing, the Flip really becomes mainstream and we could see a slew of new flip phones coming in 2022. We are very amped and curious about how it performs in the real world. And with that, we come to the end of this video. Do let us know in the comments below if you would like to see us cover the new Flip. While you are at it, we would love a like and a subscribe from you guys. Until next time, this is Anathan from C4 Tech. I'll see you in the next one. Ciao.